One day of trading, nearly $200 million leaves Bitcoin funds. Here is what happened today. Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds have just logged a sharp wave of net outflows. Data from Sosa Value shows that in a single recent session, these funds lost a combined $195 million. The biggest hit came from BlackRock's IBIT fund, which saw investors pull around $113 million in one day. Even after that move, IBIT still holds a large historical net inflow of more than $62.55 billion. Fidelity's FBTC fund also faced pressure, with daily net outflows of roughly $54.2 million. Its historical net inflow sits near $12.063 billion. Across all spot funds, the total net asset value tied to Bitcoin now sits around $120.682 billion. That represents roughly 6.54% of Bitcoin's market capitalization. The historical cumulative net inflow into spot funds has climbed to about $57.563 billion. Despite this selling, long-term capital has still moved heavily into these products. When investors add money to spot funds, issuers must secure more coins, tightening liquid supply. When they redeem, funds can sell or release coins back into the market, easing that pressure. Large swings in flows can amplify price moves during volatile periods. So how should traders and long-term holders read this data? One day of heavy outflows does not erase years of accumulated demand. The scale of total assets and net inflows suggests that many institutions remain committed to Bitcoin exposure. At the same time, the pattern of flows can offer hints about risk appetite. Sustained outflows across several weeks could signal growing caution among large investors. Rising inflows would suggest renewed confidence and a stronger backdrop for price. Flows are only one part of the picture. Macro data, central bank policy, and overall liquidity still shape the environment that Bitcoin trades in. Spot funds still hold a significant slice of the total Bitcoin market, but they are no longer a one-way inflow machine. If outflows persist, downside pressure could build. If they stabilize or reverse, spot funds could once again act as a tailwind. Stay mindful of position sizing, risk management, and time horizon, not single-day headlines. This has been BlockBrief. Stay informed, stay ahead.